Hello and welcome back to our channel. I am Taha. And you are watching Daily Forex News YouTube channel. Hopefully you all will be fine. Let's start today. Dollar dips, doubts linger, gold gleams as greenback takes a breather. Hey financial fans, grab your morning chai because the market's brewing a hot one. The dollar's taking a short siesta, but it's still on track for a weekly win, fueled by doubts over early Fed rate cuts. Gold, on the other hand, is catching its breath after a tumble, seeking solace in geopolitical jitters. Let's delve deeper. Greenback grumbles, but holds ground. The mighty dollar took a slight nap, dipping 0.1%, but it's still up over 1% this week. Why the mini vacation? Strong U.S. retail sales and low unemployment claims convinced markets that the Fed's rate-cutting party might be postponed until May, not March. So, for now, the dollar's the king of the castle. Sterling slumps on shopping slump. Across the pond, the pound's feeling the blues. Weak UK retail sales mean Brits are tightening their belts, casting a shadow on the UK economy and dimming hopes of early Bank of England rate hikes. As a result, the pound's taking a tumble against the dollar. Gold glimmer amid global gloom, while the dollar reigns supreme. Gold's finding some shine in the shadows. After taking a beating earlier in the week due to dashed Fed cut hopes, it's holding steady around $2,000. Why the glimmer? Rising tensions in the Middle East, with clashes in the Red Sea and increased Iran-Pakistan discord, are reminding investors of gold's safe haven status. Next steps, not so certain. So, what's next? Next week's US GDP data could be the DJ in this economic disco. Strong numbers could keep the dollar dancing, while surprises might send it into a tailspin. Gold, meanwhile, is keeping an eye on both the Fed and global turmoil, waiting for its next cue. Stay tuned, stay ahead. Remember, the market's a fickle beast, and this week's winners could be next week's losers. To stay ahead of the curve, tune into Daily Forex News for expert analysis, spicy insights, and all the financial tools you need to navigate these ever-changing market tides. Let's make informed decisions and dance to the rhythm of the global economy, together.